Hello all, very good morning. Welcome you all to this new video. Today now we are going to discuss about deployment. Yes, you may ask, no, what is deployment? So deployment means like whatever the work we are doing for whatever the websites, whatever the back and front end database websites we are doing. So for that website, basically we may do that in the locally in our system. So now what we are going to do is we are going to deploy that one in any one of the servers, and then we are doing the some of the like hosting services like how to add custom domain, and also how to share that link to the your friends and also the public. Yes, let me yeah, think so is my screen visible. Okay, so for that one we need VS Code. uh yes, I think so. I Everyone having this VS Code. It's an it's an IDE, that is an integrated development environment. Yes, IDE. So once you download this one and also uh, go to the home screen and also create an folder name or deployment. Yes, open this and then right click this one and open with code. Yes, now we will be getting this some. Yes, we'll be getting the welcome page. So close this one and create a file name or index.html. Yes, it's a simple HTML file. So I'm writing a simple HTML code to show what is this. A simple deployment. Yes, simple deployment. Yes, now okay. So now we'll be using a deployment in various stages. So I'll be showing it like not only in Netlify, so not only in GitHub, we'll be showing one or two to three phases like how to deploy. Okay, no problem. We'll be showing that. Yes. Now what we are going to do is let me write some content like H1. H1 I am doing like this is an this will be my first deployment course. Yes, in the H2. Yes, now in the H2 I'm going to write like something like deploying and in GitHub and Netlify servers. Yes, yes, we are going to deploy in both Netlify servers, Netlify and Vercel. Yes, yes, this Vercel is mainly for Next.js. No problem, we can deploy this index dot like these type of things also. So like what is the difference between GitHub, Netlify and Vercel? Yes, so there are a lot of differences. I'll be showing in the uh, lively like what are the main uses of that one, like how it will be used. Yes, so let me add some of the simple CSS. Only simple CSS start, not need of that one. H1 I am doing like a font size of 20 pixel. For font style, yeah, font family will be using Lucida. Yes, and then color will be using something like red. Yes, red. Yes, similarly for this one also, for H2 also we'll be using some of the things like this itself. We'll be using 18 pixel, and then instead of this Lucida Sans, I will be using something new like wait, let me show. Uh, we'll be using something like Cambridge something. We can use other than green. We can use green. Yes. So let me check my website like how it is looking like. We can check this one like how it is looking. Yes, see it is given like this is my first development course. So deploying in GitHub, Netlify servers and Vercel. Yes, exactly. So let me center this one. Yes, after this, like we'll be getting all these things in the center. Yes, it's a simple, very very simple, a very simple thing. So there is no complex CSS and HTML is added. So just for the deployment case, I'm showing this one. This is not at all a problem. Okay, let me first we'll go with the GitHub. Yes, now in the GitHub, we have to mm, we have to log in and you have to create a GitHub account. So actually, in our previous videos, we have shown how to create and log in the GitHub accounts. Yes, we have already created. Yes, now we are going to create a new repository, deployment demo. Yes, no need of clicking anything, like you can make it a public, no need of everything. Create repository. Yes, a repository has been created. So here it is showing like uploading an existing file. Yes, uh, click on this one and go with the file which we have created is deployed, and then index.html. Yes, once this file has been uploaded, click on the commit changes. So here now index.html has been added. So now what we have to do is go to settings, and then we have to go down, see here pages. We have to go and click on the pages. So after going into the pages here in this and you have to select the main branch. Yes, and then here we have to save. So that's it. We'll be getting the all the code that is see guys, see here. So this is a no local system that is like a 127.0.0.1 colon of 5500 slash index.html. So once we deploy, we'll be getting the our custom website name, so that we can show to anyone, like anyone we need, so we can show. So it will take some 1 to 2 minutes, I think. Let the test wait and see. So meanwhile we can log into the Netlify also. Yes. We can log into the Netlify. So I'll be don't worry, we'll be giving the links. So as I have already logged into this account, so that's why I'm having this already. Okay, let us yes, see, 1 second. We'll load this. Yes, see, uh, our site has been deployed. See, my name sanjaykumar.github.io/deployment demo. See, with this link we can go anywhere. See, if I go here in the Chrome, we can see anywhere you can see this one now. You can access this from anywhere. See, you can also see here like a deployment, I think. Yes, see here, we'll be having all the deployment. Yes, see, deployed. Yes, deployed. So like this we can show. So let me add a site, import an existing project. Yeah, deploy manually, I choose. So they said to choose the file. Yes, in my folder I have only one single file. Yes, I think so it's a deployment is under the process. Let me check the preview. Yeah, see, completed. Completed, guys. See, open protection deployment. See, it is having some nonsense like a funny panda 211 EFA, that it is not at all needed. So we'll change that one. We'll change. See, go with the site overview. Go with the site configuration. We can deployment, like a sample deployment. We can save. So this one is already have taken. So let me give the Totelligence into the backend. So then they will see. So now with this one we can see here the domain name is so the domain name is simple deployment slash totalness.netlify.app. See, this one is github.io, and this one will be the netlify.app. See, like this guy. So like we can do, I have shown in the two deployment servers. You see, the main difference is in the GitHub. In the GitHub, will be not getting this much of analytics. See here, actually, we have seen that this much of domain configurations, this much of things we can see. So, but we are not able to get a complete access to the in the GitHub. Similarly, we'll be showing Vercel. Yes, Vercel is also a one best platform. You see, we can see here. So see guys, one thing, I have already logged into all these accounts. So that's why I'm not sure. It's just some simple login and sign up through Google like that. So click on the add new project. Yes, I'm going to add new project. So already this my GitHub has been integrated to this Vercel, so that we can directly push that one, like we can directly take my project. Yes, let us wait for the connection. We're not able to get some proper internet connection, so let us wait for that one. It is loading. Yes, see, deployment demo. Yes, we'll be naming this one as a deployment, a sample demo deployment. Yes. So here, see carefully, guys. We'll be having some of the uh, environment variables, build settings like that we'll be having. So if you are having anything like that, you can mention here. Otherwise, simply click on the deploy. Yes, if you click on the deploy, so it will show something like this one. It is building, so something like this one. See, if we click on this one, see sample deployment dot Vercel data. See, see, for a single project, I have shown three different websites. Three different websites I have. One, two, three. Like these are similar. These are everything is similar, and also these are highly secured itself. See, so connection is also secured. Yes, see, this like this we can deploy, so without any custom domain. So without any custom domain, we can do this one. Uh, and also for this one, let me show this one. See, a sample deployment. We can take the domain also for this one. See, actually, I have that Totelligence domain, so that's why I can get the subdomain here. See, invalid. Okay, invalid. Okay, dot in. I forgot dot in. Yes. See, adding my subdomain, so that one second, it is taking to activate the servers. Why? Because these servers are under the GoDaddy account. Yes, under the GoDaddy account. See here, in this way we can set up the custom domain also. See, a certificate is also generated. See, let me check. Yes, certificate is also be has been generated. See, like this. So in this way, we can deploy any number of websites, any number of static or dynamic. So we'll be having like this. So we can deploy in multiple servers, multiple sites, multiple softwares. Yes, like this we can deploy. So if you are having any doubts in any other deployment like a Django or Flask, so I'll be explaining in the next video. You can post in a comment box like that. In which topic you need for the next videos. Yes, that's all for this video. I'll be giving the links about the VS Code, so GitHub, Netlify, and Vercel in the uh, uh, below description. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll be continuing the session for the next set of videos. Thank you.